Hey, look, this is just a message to let you know that I'm here for you.
The castles here on the coast of Ireland. Oh my god. So yeah, super cool, super cute. I think it's cool. Guys, are you seeing this right now? Oh my god. I'm at that place like where you see it on the pictures, you don't think it's real. It's real. And it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look! Please! Thank you! You know, the reflex saved
For
me.
real.
You know what? I actually, if you want to get me walking right over there,
Yes.
that would.
Do you have a remote or is it automatically on?
It's literally on right now.
Okay,
If
cool.
you just hold it still, that would be perfect. Let me zoom it in. Oh, you're an angel.
Get out here, shot.
Love the content creation. Yes, I love it. Have a good day, ladies. You too. We love women. I love women. I'm so blessed. And I'm so grateful. God always places angels in my life. Are you an angel? Look. It's so much better in person. Okay, so this is Giant's Castle on the north coast of Ireland. Super beautiful, super rich. You know those hexagonal rocks? I'm standing in front of them. Like literally, look. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Shopping. I got this beautiful scarf. I really wanted something linen for my house. I got it. I'm up here in the mountains. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look. Girl, the scenery. Hate to see me in my garage. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. And look at this. It's not like roaches up here or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I think this was a beautiful experience. 10 out of 10. They probably get a 0.2 knocked off just because it's like pretty chilly, but it's doable, it's bearable. I wish I'd seen more of us out here, but that's why I'm out here representing. I think it's cool. And we're shopping. But I'm so grateful. It's just beautiful. So I'll see you soon at the next stop. I think we're gonna go like for lunch or something like that, but outside of that, I think it's gonna be a pretty good day. So stay warm. You get kisses. Mwah. Bye. Just came in from the cutest little shop in this small, cute little, quaint little city called Bushmills. It's a famous destination here in Ireland, kind of where they make whiskey, and I got the cutest little items. So, excuse me guys. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I like this little. It's really cool. Super cute. And it smells amazing. So, we're gonna test her out, try her out, and see what she's up to. Alright, I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye. It's not that marshmallow that be like in the stores. It's like weird marshmallow. Let's try another bite. Oh look, here's your bite. There you go, my bite. This is good. Okay. This is good. I'm gonna enjoy it. Get my money worth, you know? Oh, but it's beautiful.
Oh, not again.
Yay!
Girl, I ain't getting on it. I want to see it. I just want to go see it. I'm not going on it. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Hey guys. So we made it back from all the festivities today. And I don't know, I think it's the perfect weather for Indian food. So I came over to a restaurant literally around the corner. Oh, I'm ready. We can pay. I'm getting ready to pay, guys. Hold on. So like I was saying before, guys, beautiful day today. Took a beautiful nap on the bus ride back. Yeah, I wanted Indian food. So today's itinerary: shower, self-care, Indian food, bed. So apparently we have a really early start tomorrow. Oh, and I have a sweet treat at home too, so we're gonna get into that. So we have a really early start tomorrow, 8:15. So I'll probably do the same thing I did this morning. Kind of get up around like 5:45. Get ready, take my time, all the works, and get ready. So we're supposed to be playing, I think, like football or rugby tomorrow. So I think that'll be super cool. I might put my Nike outfit back on. I think that'll be perfect for the occasion. And then we'll just get into that. I really don't want to be out tonight, and it's currently 5, so I have more than enough time to kind of get myself together for tomorrow. So we're gonna get into that. I found this really cool Indian restaurant. It's called Indian Gate. Here in Belfast, and it's super cute. Look. So hopefully the food is good. I'm super excited, and we're gonna get into it. Of course, we have our gloves on. So we're gonna get into it. So yeah. All right.